Hi, my name's Nicola. I'm the curriculum leader for visual arts. Let me tell you about some of the fantastic study programmes we have here in our department. We offer study programmes at level 1, level 2 and level 3, and we cover a range of topics: animation, fine art, photography, graphic design and so much more, all designed to help you make a splash in the world of visual arts. All of our tutors have a vast amount of industry experience and all teach to their specialisms. Keely's worked as a freelance fashion photographer in the industry for many years. She's had work published in the British Journal Photography and she'll be teaching you photography and graphic design. David's got a degree in illustration and animation and he'll be teaching you graphic design and animation. Rachel's working on her fashion master's degree and she'll be teaching you textile techniques. Lisa Palmer has a degree in ceramics and she'll be teaching you everything to do with 3D specialisms. Courtney's specialism is in illustration and fine art, so she'll teach you everything you need to know about printing and drawing. This means that we know exactly what it takes to be a success in this amazing industry, whether that's progressing to university or securing your dream job. This includes access to Mac computers, specialist ceramic kilns, a dark room, digital equipment and printing facilities. We have direct links with the University of Bolton, which gives the learners the opportunity to attend specialist workshops at the university.
I really like my tutors. I think they're dead nice and really supportive. They focus more on just you instead of just like talking to everyone. You get like extra help as well.
I chose art because that's something I really enjoy and I have a passion for it. The tutors are great. They give you lots of freedom in class so you can have fun with the art that you're doing.
Thank you for watching. I hope this gives you an insight into life at Bolton College.